Get a day start. Madam Deputy Chairman, I would like to confine my remarks to some of the issues that have come before us for some time past. I would like to refer to the tendency of monopoly, the policy of the government, and the distribution of governmental patronage to newspapers. Before I do that, I would like to make one general observation. The Press Commission was constituted some time ago by the government and it had made various recommendations which were partly accepted and partly not, but today the situation has changed considerably. In the report, every year you find new trends developing in the Indian press and new forces coming into play. I feel the situation has changed considerably now since the first press commission was constituted, and I would suggest that there should be a second press commission to make a thorough inquiry about the various problems confronting the Indian press. Madam, I feel that is a necessary step to be taken in view of the fact that many of the recommendations made by the Press Commission have become outdated and some of them have not been accepted by the Government of India. Therefore, it is very essential that we should have another Press Commission to inquire about the Indian press. Now, I would deal with some of the points which I referred to earlier, namely the tendencies of monopoly in the Indian press. When one goes through the pages of the report of the Registrar of Newspapers, one cannot escape the conclusion that tendencies of monopoly have been increasing day by day. I might read out a few sentences so that we might be able to understand the dangerous trend that is prevalent so far as monopoly is concerned. The Registrar of Newspapers says in chapter 5 that there is a further concentration of newspapers under common ownership as represented by chains, groups, and multiple units. I would like to know whether we should not cry a halt to this growth of monopoly in the press. The question is how to do it, how to bring about diffusion in paper ownership. May I suggest that one of the ways to bring about diffusion in the matter of ownership is to put a limit on the ownership of papers by a group or a chain. We have now to consider whether a certain amount of limits should not be contemplated.